Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change your primary email on LinkedIn. So all you have to do is just visit linkedin.com and just log in with your current credentials. Next is just go to your account settings just by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy from the drop down. Then in the left sidebar, click on Sign In and Security. Then click Email Addresses under Account Access. Next is just click Add Email Address and enter your new email and click Send Verification. Check your email inbox and click the verification link LinkedIn sends. Then after the verification, just go back to the email addresses section. Click Make Primary next to the newly added and verified email. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!